Times. And that's fine.
Not fine.
No.
Where are we going?
Rain with the... Wait. Oh, there.
I make the worst noises when I'm playing co-op.
Okay.
Don't push it on me!
Nice hair, Rain.
Oh no, your wig, it's broken.
Okay, well, I like my natural hair better, so maybe that's for the best.
The shop.
Le shop.
Le shop.
Le shop.
Les magasins. Okay.
Nothing.
Oh boy, Yum Heart! I love Yum Heart! Yeah, Yum Heart's actually pretty good in co-op, I just remembered
Like
that.
it's to effect in co-op. I always keep forgetting it has that. Oh, there's a dog. Die. Ah!
Oh. I agree, yeah.
True.
Yeah, that's a good, that's what it is.
I'll take this. I think that's it. Oh.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna break this. Are you okay?
Among Us, wait, I need to like do some stuff real quick. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay.
Among Us.
Alright, once again.
We are back in the game, lads.
We are back in the game. That is a very screamy.
I get to decide where we're going.
We are going up.
In here?
A big map is bull.
Rain.
I have no idea what that noise was, by the way.
Kai and I are cats.
What was cat when I least expected?
How could you, Rain? I cannot.
Like if I wipe all costumes and then go to default.
Ooh.
Oh my god!
Nope.